I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me in these last few days. I've been afraid that I might drift away, so I've been telling old stories and singing songs that make me think about where I came from. And that's the reason why I seem so far away today. But let me tell you that I love you and that I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me. Now I'm going home. And if I should become a stranger, know that it would make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Oh, I have moved and I kept on moving, proved the points that I needed proving. I lost the friends that I needed losing, found others on the way. Oh, and I have tried and I kept on trying